How are you doing that?
Follow as a promise. Would you break it if you're honest? I don't want to.
When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make life take the lemons back. Get mad! I don't want your damn lemons! What am I supposed to do with these? Demand to see life's manager. Do you know who I am? I'm the man who's gonna burn your house down with the lemons. I'm gonna get my engineers to invent a combustible lemon that burns your house down.
She was loving finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead.
Knife?
Let's start by changing those curtains. YouTuber Rick? Did somebody say YouTuber? Yeah.
Crunches, when it crunches, that's why I love Nestle Crunch. Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game.
Where we are.
Garfield, I made you some delicious lasagna. Thank you, John, you beautiful human being. John, you worthless piece of garbage, you hit a Monday in my lasagna. You will pay for this, Jonathan. Odie, sick 'em. Woof woof. No Odie, you bad boy, don't kill me. You raised some good points, Jom. Haha, I win, Garfield. Garfield, more like Garfooled, got him. Don't make me commit a felony, Jom. Or should I say feline because I'm a cat? No, Garburator, don't do it. Okay, I won't. I honor and respect your opinion. Me.
Oh look, Santa's leaving.
Peace be with you all.
Hey, what do you got there, Peter? Rice cakes? Never had one, but somebody told me this is a really good way to start your diet.
could think of